Air China 981, make the right turn here at Juliet, join Alpha, hold short of Mike Alpha.
Hey, right in Juliet, hold, well, taxi Alpha, hold November. Now continue now, taxi now.
Make the right turn here at Juliet, join Alpha, hold short of Mike Alpha, Air China 981.
Air China 981, right here, join right in Juliet, join Alpha, hold short of November.
Okay, I'll say it again. Hold short of Mike Alpha, M-A, Mike Alpha, not November.
Okay, hold short of Mike Alpha 981.
Roger, we cross to the right and via Alpha to the ramp Air France 06 Heavy.
Air China 981, have they cleared you into the ramp?
Roger, ramp to ramp Air China 981.
Okay, they have cleared you into the ramp?
Grounding within 828, general aviation, Foxtrot, taxi.
Air China 981, ground.
Kennedy Ground, good afternoon. Mexicana 004, Zulu Alpha Bravo going to gate 22.
Mexicana 4, taxi to the ramp.
Taxi to the ramp, Mexicana 004.
Air China 981, Kennedy ground.
981, go ahead.
Have you been cleared into the ramp?
Okay, connect to the ramp.
No, that was a question. Have the ramp people cleared you into the gate?
Roger, to the gate, Air China 981.
I'll try it again. It's a question. Hold your position. This is a question. Interrogative. Have you been cleared into your gate?
Okay, well, hold here.
Okay, how about the question? Have they cleared you into the gate?
Roger, send something.
Ground, good afternoon. Lufthansa 406 and Juliet.
Lufthansa 406. What's your gate assignment?
Gate number 2.
Okay, hold short 2 to right. Call the ramp. Ask them in very simple English if you can get to your gate now or not. That's all I want to know.
Roger, Wilco.
Ask them if anybody at that terminal can get to their ramp besides Air France, please, because they don't seem to be, nobody seems to speak English here today.
Air China, Tower, Ground Air China 981, we are, gate number 3 is open. We are taxi to the November.
Air China 981, taxi to the ramp.
Roger, taxi to the ramp.
Kennedy Ground 514, clear on Bravo, Lima Alpha entry, we're cleared in.
Com Air 514, Kennedy, taxi to the ramp.